I just want to preface this by saying that I do think the best quality keywords you're going to find are still actually manually going through listings and especially reviews on Amazon. I think by far that's where you're going to find the best quality stuff. But obviously, you can't find 5,000 keywords worth of stuff. And so you need to do some other things to fill out your backend. So let's start over here. This is a really cool website called Answer the Public. And basically, it takes Google Auto Suggest and it just puts on a whole bunch of different prepositions, starts and finishes the words differently. So I'll show you how this works. Let's try with the example Xbox, and it'll quickly pop up prepositions: how Xbox, are Xbox, where Xbox, why Xbox, like a trillion different ways. And you could look at it in data. And one really easy way to use this is you just get everything on this entire page, and then I would put it into some kind of keyword processor. So let's go over to a word frequency counter here, just a free one. This is called Right Words. A million ways to use this, and it shows you what's the most common words. Xbox 1,312 times, controller, games, and then you can take all of this and you put it into a program like Helium 10 and take it over to Frankenstein. This is a free keyword processor, great tool. Helium 10 has a lot of really great tools. A lot of them are paid, some of them are free. We just copy and paste this in here, and let's say eliminate numbers, remove common words, remove single letters, and click process. And you're left with a nice list of keywords. And you're still gonna have to go through and delete a bunch of these. Definitely still manually to scan through them, and some of them, like Pokemon, I don't think I'd really want to rank for that. You just have to go through and kind of scan out. But this will really quickly get you enough keywords to fill out your back end. Another great source is this one, Scientific Seller. This is kind of a beast of a program because it'll just keep going for hours and hours. Like this one's been running for about 5 minutes, and it's already found 764 search terms related to the term Xbox, and it will literally just keep going for thousands and thousands and thousands of terms. It just kind of perpetually feeds itself. And you just do the same thing with this. Copy all of it, put it into some kind of processor, because really you don't have time to go through 796, 800 to, it's going to go up to like 10,000 different words. You don't have time for that. Okay, so this next one is called Merge Words, and this is more for PPC campaigns and less so for backend keywords, because in PPC campaigns, you want a lot of long tail keywords like Xbox controller blank, Xbox controller blank, Xbox remote blank. But in the backend, you only need you don't want duplicate keywords. You just want to put each keyword once. And so this is, let's say your product is Xbox, you put a few different variations in here, and then you want a whole bunch of different variations of these variations. So let's go into Frankenstein. Let's copy this keyword list that we got here. Delete this again. And I'll delete that. And then we'll set to one word phrase per line so that we can use it in this other program. So that's great. Copy that. Let's take it into Merge Words and put it here and press Merge, and it'll give us 1,836 different combinations, which is pretty amazing. And boom, now you have a ton of long tail keywords. And I would just go ahead and copy this straight into an Amazon pay-per-click campaign. Just put it on a low bid so that you don't get screwed by any crazy keywords or anything like that. And after a while, some of these will start getting some traffic, and some of them will start converting. The ones that are converting, then you raise the bids. The ones that aren't converting, then just lower the bids or delete them altogether if they're doing really bad. And it's a really easy way to get some long tail keywords. And last thing I'm going to show you guys, let's hop back over to Helium 10. This is probably my favorite tool by them. Once you got all your backend keywords and all your listing done and everything, you want to input it here, input your title, description, all your bullet points, and then just dump all the keywords that you have into here. And what that'll do is it will delete any duplicates that is in your listing. So say your title has Xbox controller, and you also have Xbox controller back here, it's going to delete Xbox controller out of here. And then so once all the duplicates are deleted, you can just copy and paste into the keyword fields, and you can set this to automatically be only 1,000 characters. And then it sets the character limits for everything, and then it's all ready to put into your listing. So you just click on Get Result, and that will give you everything, just all in a nice list there. Copy, and boom, it's done. So yeah, those are some free options. There are some good paid options out there too, But this is just a basic overview of some of the really good free options out there you can get to increase your PPC campaigns and fill out your backend keywords. All right, guys, I hope that helped you out. And if you're still thinking that, Danny, it seems like a little bit much, I just want someone to take this off my hands, I'm a busy guy, then that is something that I provide. What I just showed you is a very small part of what I do for keyword listings. Honestly, it takes me about 2 hours per listing of just manually going through and picking out what I think are the best keywords from reviews and actual competitor listings, and just analyzing the competition in general, as well as maybe 2 or 3 other paid keyword tools that I use that are really good. So if this is something that is interesting to you, hop over to this page. I'll have a link below, and you can place an order right on this form. Talk to you guys soon.